In the end, we want a full open source stack in the data center, bringing that to critical environments like the banking industry, energy sector, public sector. We say, let's do just a minimal layer from bare metal to Kubernetes.
Hi, Markus. Very nice for taking the time.
Hi.
So we're here at Cloudfest 26 this year. Can you tell us a bit about your story, your company, X-cellent?
So X-cellent is building sovereign cloud technology, and there we developed a software called metalstack.cloud, and it helps automating bare metal servers and switches.
Okay, that's interesting, huh? So, and what else is included in metalstack? So you have different sub-brands, I would say, in X-cellent. Yeah? So what are these products about?
So we provide sovereign technology, and the users or customers can see that with our cloud platform, and the same experience they also can have on-prem.
Okay, that's very interesting. So how long is X-cellent around? How long does your knowledge go back in this area?
Yeah, it's a bit older.
Yeah.
So we started in 1998.
Okay,
and that was not me. But we all the time we showed interest in open technology and open source, bringing that to critical environments like the banking industry, energy sector, public sector, and this evolved over time.
Okay, interesting. And how do you see the current interest in sovereign cloud in Europe, and where does your product fit best into it?
Yeah, that interest in sovereign cloud technology is evolving, and it has some key factors that are playing a role there, and we want to be, we want also to take part in this movement, and we see lots of things going on with OpenStack. Metalstack is a bit different. We say, let's do just a minimal layer from bare metal to Kubernetes, and we see interest from many places.
Okay, and I think if I'm not mistaken, you have, as one of the few companies, you have an BSI approval as well, or some BSI certification.
So the solution itself has not the certification, but the clients that are using our software, they are regulated in the banking field, and there also the C5 certification is important.
Okay, that's very interesting. So, and we as STORDIS, our little piece in your solution is our Edgecore switches running SONiC. How important is that for your solution, and why did you go for open networking in particular?
Yeah, for us it's very important to have this combination of white box switches and an open network operating system. There's really philosophy change happening in the industry, and we want to improve that. And in the end, we want a full open source stack in the data center. And the network part is really critical. And for us, SONiC is really nice because it's open, and we can deploy our own software controller that does the software-defined networking for metalstack. So it partitions into private networks. It serves us for connecting those over racks with VXLAN, and this is very important.
That's great. Thanks very much. So what's next for X-cellent and metalstack? What are the plans?
The plan is that we support multiple hardware vendors, and that we broaden also our landscape of switches that we support. Because in the end we want to give choices to our customers, that they can choose depending on supply chain problems. There is probably another server vendor, and that they can easily switch.
Okay,
So this is the plan, giving more options to to our customers and growing the user base.
We fully agree. It's all about options, variations for the customers. It's true, yeah. Thanks so much for talking to us today. Yeah, it was a pleasure. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.